I don't see the mini. He might be going up, so I don't see the mini. Let's go.
How do you feel about that drive?
My fucking leg fell asleep.
Your leg fell asleep? How? Just how?
I think I blew my motor coming here. Fucking downshifting.
Huh? Oh yeah,
Yo, there's like my headlights, the orange one.
Oh yeah, you're orange.
Hold on.
Hey!
Hashtag your mission for Ratchet Friday. Ratchet Friday and
Except mine's gloss, not matte.
Oh, you don't have plates.
He doesn't. Yeah. Front plates are not him though. That's the thing.
Even rear plates, though. I'm trying to hide.
Even rear plates. This guy. Oh god. Huh?
Same wheels as me.
Word? Except he's a lot lower. Whoa, what happened? Oh my god.
Hey, yo, my Ultima's about to be looking like that.
Yo, you know, Ivan has this Ultima, right?
Oh wait, my Ultima's a little newer than this.
Yeah, it is.
Mine's like 3 months.
Oh my god.
Alright, where's the seat though? Did he really drive on that shit?
No, there is.
That's fucking
yeah,
pain.
I know, word. That's like pain, bro.
He probably has cushion or something he's carrying along with him right now. Yo,
It's
that's
an
a Mark II,
automatic.
right? Or Mark 1?
Mark 1.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit. Looks like Mark II.
Oh my god, we have a whole lineup right here. Let's get it. You gotta go ahead. You gotta go ahead.
That golf cart. I want these headlights.
Which ones?
remember, guys, the very front of the tower is not the
Which headlights do you want? Oh, there we go. It fixed it, y'all. Oh, look at this guy. Oh!
You got the blew up last year?
This is the universal symbol for a nice car. Every time you see a nice car, just
I just talked to Nico about fixing it.
oh my god. Why? When? How?
That's fucking
Oh
bad.
my god. It's an actual helicopter. Like what?
Word, slice all our heads.
It's about to take all of our heads off right now. Like, oh boy. Oh my god, they're actually about to start it.
I want to see this.
Hey, let the propeller go!
won't even do a burnout.
Yo, we're dragging that today? I had no clue. Oh my god.
He's gonna eat Libre shit too.
Oh my god, yo, you need to talk to this man, please. So what's been your favorite car here yet?
My favorite car?
Yeah.
There's
My
this
favorite
black
car is
Accord.
my favorite
There's this
car.
black Accord, right?
So sexy, yo.
Right?
Lexus looking
That black
taillights.
Accord, right?
That's bad. This is a gloss black Accord. Got these sexy taillights.
Uh-huh.
Fucking flickering headlights.
Flickering headlights. Wait, my
When I
headlights
went,
actually
I
flicker.
I don't know. There's
I went to Open Road Honda.
Uh-huh.
I saw a V6 Accord Coupe. Remember I told you the story, I
Is
think.
that like 20 inches?
Those are 20s.
Bigger than my dick.
Measure.
Oh my god.